Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology and gadgets. In today's video, we have an exciting product to review, the OBSBOT Tail Air and Remote Controller Combo. This AI Tracking PTZ camera is packed with features designed to elevate your live streaming and video recording experience. Let's dive into the details and see what makes this camera a standout choice for church, worship, sports, and more. The OBSBOT Tail Air is impressively compact, smaller than a soda can, making it incredibly portable. Despite its size, it offers stunning 4K resolution and boasts a 320 degrees horizontal rotation and 180 degrees vertical rotation. This means you can capture every detail from various angles, making it perfect for dynamic content creation. One of the standout features of this camera is its NDI streaming capability. NDI allows you to effortlessly stream your footage to a local network, enabling multi-device processing without complex HDMI, SDI cables. It reduces equipment connection hassles and wiring costs, giving you a smoother streaming experience. The OBSBOT Tail Air offers multiple connection options, including micro HDMI, USB-C, Ethernet, and wireless. This versatility caters to different user needs and preferences, ensuring compatibility with various devices and platforms. It supports protocols like RTMP, RTSP, and VSCA, enabling seamless streaming to platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, and more. The companion software, OBSBOT Start, gives you complete control over your video capture settings. You can adjust settings like AI Director, preset positions, and customizable visual settings in real time. This app enhances your streaming experience by allowing you to fine-tune your videos effortlessly. The OBSBOT Tail Air's AI tracking feature is top-notch, offering tracking for humans, animals, and objects. This versatility makes it practical for a wide range of applications. Whether you're recording a sermon, a sports event, or a creative project, this camera can keep your subject in focus. If you want to take your content creation to the next level, you can use multiple Tail Air cameras together. This setup allows you to create a broadcast studio with different angles and perspectives. The wide compatibility of this wireless webcam makes it easy to integrate into your existing systems or workflows. Controlling the Tail Air camera is a breeze with multiple options. You can use gestures, a remote control, PC and mobile software, or even a Stream Desk to operate it. Turning on UVC mode in the PC software transforms it into a plug-and-play webcam for added convenience. The OBSBOT Tail Air and Remote Controller Combo is a feature-packed PTZ camera that excels in performance, portability, and versatility. With its NDI streaming capability, intuitive app control, and upgraded AI tracking, it's a powerhouse for live streaming, recording, and content creation. Whether you're in church, worship, sports, or any other field, this camera is designed to meet your needs. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your videos to the next level with this fantastic camera combo. That wraps up our review of the OBSBOT Tail Air and Remote Controller Combo. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Product Critique, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.